Hello, my name is Cole Carter. It is a pleasure to be here today to discuss my business, how it began, and what we offer. The name of my business is Jury Connect. It started one day. I wanted to spend time with my daughter and introduce her to different crafts. So I signed up for a Jury 101 class at a local craft store. Well, after I made my first custom piece, I was hooked. I began to notice that making jewelry really relaxed me and it put me in a happy and peaceful place. Well, one day I was preparing to go to a special event. I had my dress, my shoes, everything. However, I noticed I forgot to purchase my accessories. I almost freaked out until my daughter said, Mommy, why don't you wear one of your necklaces? Mm, I thought about that, and the first thing I thought was, it's not new, it's not professionally made, it may mess up my whole outfit. But I really didn't have any choice, so I began to look through my basket of custom made pieces, and I found a piece that really complemented my dress well. So I wore it. And when I got to the ball, the custom piece was a hit. I received so many compliments, and many people thought I had paid big money for it. And when I told them I made it, I began to receive numbers, and the rest was history. And on that night, I thought about it and I thought about it, and I realized that I had a gift in this area of my life. And I really wanted to bless others with the opportunity to share their stories, to celebrate their achievements and their obstacles, one custom piece at a time. So, welcome to Jury Connect. Jury Connect was found in 2018. It's basically a creative line inspired by unique personalities and empowering stories. The focus is to connect women all over the world with one custom piece at a time. The custom pieces are specifically made by request by our customers. The line again inspires the everyday woman as they strive to be the best individual they could be. We know that women are very busy, so we do this by creating a unique, affordable jewelry line that will enhance natural beauty, their clothing attire, and personality. We also encourage proper skincare treatment by using sensitive skin material. So, Jewelry Connect, we are aware that custom pieces and jewelry, it attracts a variety of category and personalities, locally, regionally, or internationally. People know about jewelry. However, Jewelry Connect ideal customer will probably primarily attract young and or middle-aged women between the ages of 30 and 45 years old. These particular women are focused, they're strong minded, they know who they are at this time of their life, and they're ready to let the world know who they are. So, again, they're educated, they're career minded. Most of these women are working in prestigious companies in executive position, and these women they enjoy socializing at upscale places as well. However, the beauty of wearing a piece from custom from Jewelry Connect is that we not only offer the convenience of dressing up your natural beauty or dressing up your outfit to go to work or to socialize, but Jira Connect really take the time to celebrate and embrace the ideal customer's unique personality. Whether they're into antique stores, historical personality, or they're the sleek modern, or they may have dramatic personality or nature lovers. Jury Connect takes the time to celebrate each and every ideal customer's unique personality and story. That is our goal. So, what do we offer and how do we go about doing this? Well, as we know, that there's a 9% growth in the market for artistic jewelry. So there are people that are searching for some type of creative or custom made pieces that identifies with who they are or their personality. Many times when you go into the store, then you see different types of beautiful jewelry. However, it's a trend because you can go to other stores and find that same type of jewelry. But here with Jewelry Connect, we want to offer you that artistic piece of jewelry, and we want to give you a good price, an affordable price. You pay for what you get for it. But with Jewelry Connect, we want to provide our customers with affordable pricing, but it also ensures excellent value and quality of custom made jewelry. We also want to give you that quality. We know that there are customers that are concerned with skincare, so we also provide materials that provides good skincare while wearing custom made pieces. We take that into consideration. One of the products that we use is called titanium. Okay. Also, we want to offer originality. Again, as I mentioned, you can go to different stores and see beautiful jewelry, but these same pieces are offered in many stores. But with our custom pieces, we offer only design. We only design a piece, one piece that you would see in this whole world. So you don't have to worry about seeing another person wearing your custom piece of jewelry. Also, we offer a variety of styles and creations for any personality. We use a mixture of beading stones and metals as well as plated material. Jury Connect, we also offer accessibility, which means we sell and ship directly to the customers. We deal directly with the customers. Okay, we you can the customer can also purchase a custom piece through our art and jewelry galleries, at art fairs and shows, and we also use our social media such as Facebook, and we always keep a consistent, updated online catalog on our personal website, including PayPal. Uh, Jury Connect, we pride on giving 100% satisfaction, attention, and we want to make sure that we answer questions, take orders, or take in consideration warranty repairs. Okay. Confidentiality is very important to us because the individuals, when they come from their consultation, then the customers are telling us personal stories, personal dreams, personal obstacles, and this information is personal. So we want to make sure that we give them that confidentiality, and so that we can work together in order to create a custom piece from what they share with us. So Jury Connect is a 24-hour online business boutique, and we also offer two locations, physical locations. So some of the advantages and disadvantages of our online service includes we offer 24-hour shopping access, which is convenience and privacy. While you shop, then we offer soothing music of your choice while you shop. We have a playlist, and you're able to pick any type of music that fits your personality and your mood in order to shop. We also offer one free consultation is scheduled between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. We also have opportunities for our customers to gain points towards discounts off future purposes. Technology is very important to us. We continue to upgrade and improve daily. This will make sure that our customers have the access that they need. As far as the disadvantages, the live chat, it only operates between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. The consultations are scheduled appointments only, and they're also between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Jury Connect have two physical locations. The first one is a satellite boutique, which is located in the heart of Uptown Charlotte, close to restaurants, shopping, bars, and public transit. This is for our 9 to 5. As soon as they get out of work, they are close to these the restaurants, shopping, bars, and public transportation. The space is 975 square feet space. We offer a mini gallery in the front of the store to give our customers ideas of things that we have created in the past. We also offer different inspirational spaces once they come in. We have materials such as the beading in certain spaces that is geared toward, say, for instance, modern and chic, or the traditional and nature type style, or gothic and urban. So this also give our customers an opportunity to feel specific beadings or wires and things like that. Our second location is located in Pineville, North Carolina, which is only 45 minutes from Charlotte, North Carolina. Really close to parks and lakes and hardly no traffic at this time. Pineville, North Carolina is a great place to begin a business. They've received great ratings for business owners in this area. Our and this is our main space, 2,000 square feet approximately in space. We also offer a storefront mini art gallery for our customers to shop and to just enjoy the art. We also offer a photography, a design, and a shipping team within this facility. So once a custom piece is made, then we can quickly take a picture of this piece and share it with other women around the world. We also have a meditation room, and I did spell that wrong, but we do have a meditation room, and this allow our customers to be able to go into a space to collect their thoughts and to really think about the piece that they really want to create. And that way, we're able to come back together during our consultation. They're able to tell me exactly what they're looking for, and we can work together to create a unique custom piece. Again, for new customers, they will receive a 1 hour free consultation, and all rooms are soundproof. So again, I am very proud to say that Jury Connect, we just don't offer trends. We offer art, we offer fashion that fits you. We're concerned about your needs and your wants, and we're also concerned about ensuring that the custom made pieces that you wear is also skin sensitive and you're able to wear it a long time. So we look forward to seeing you all, hearing from you all. Please go to our updated consistent catalog and view some of the beautiful pieces that have been made for some beautiful women all around the world.